Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying your device can run shortcuts in Siri. This prevents wasted steps. Once confirmed, open the Shortcuts app and tap the plus icon to create a new shortcut. Next, add an action by tapping Add Action and search for the task you want Siri to perform. This establishes the core behavior. Make sure to include any required inputs or permissions now, because granting access later can interrupt automation and force manual confirmation. Now configure the detailed actions and parameters so the shortcut behaves reliably. Add multiple actions in sequence and use variables to pass data between steps. This is why you'll get precise results. If you need branching or timing, insert scripting actions like if, wait, or repeat to handle different cases. Once your flow looks correct, press play to test the shortcut and observe the output. Iterate until it consistently performs the desired task without errors. Finish by adding a Siri phrase so you can trigger the shortcut hands-free. Open the shortcut settings, choose Add to Siri, and record a short, unique phrase that's easy to say. Make sure required permissions are enabled for apps and background execution, because Siri needs access to perform actions automatically. Test the spoken phrase. If Siri doesn't run it, re-record the phrase and check privacy settings, or disable/re-enable the shortcut to refresh permissions. This simple reset often fixes common failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.